Hi everyone, welcome to this session. My name is Subham and I'm a Gold Microsoft partner from India. In this session, we'll be learning about how you can perform a sentence analysis on Azure Notebooks on Jupyter Notebook platform. So the very first step is that you have to click on the very sign in button which is provided at your top on the right side of your screen. So when you click on the login button and when you are completely logged in successfully, you would have your own dashboard like this where you have all your information on a dashboard. Upon clicking on see all button, we would be moving forward to all the projects that we have made till time, and we would be moving towards the very next window where it shows up all the information regarding the projects, whatever you have done, the details of each and every project, and we would be moving on to the next. So the very next step is to click on the new project button. On the new project button, obviously you need to name your project very memorable because you want to make sure that in future if you need to find it out, you can find it on easily. So let's name our project as sentence analysis. Awesome. If you want to make a project a public one, make sure you click on this button checkbox. So your projects can be viewed by others. Public projects can be viewed by anyone who has the URL. Public projects will also be listed in your profile, and you can update the settings for later if you want to change your mind. So without wasting furthermore, let's create this project on sentence analysis. And yes, this has been created. So the next step is to click on your new button, and you have to click on the notebook button. So for me, I would be suggesting my notebook name as sentence, right? And clicking on that, you can choose the version of the language you wanted. For example, here we have the Python 2.7 and Python 3.5, Python 3.6 and R and F sharp. So for this project, I would be suggesting you to go for Python 3.6. So you can just see into your screen that the extension has been automatically created for your project. So clicking on this button, and then we'll moving towards the new section. So when you have just clicked on the new button, it will create a sentence, a file with the extension of Python, and when you click on the very same file, you should see your sentence analysis or the Python notebook of Jupyter in front of your screen within some moments of time based upon internet connection. So when you have all the things done properly, you'll be welcoming to this very on screen of your Jupyter Notebook and Azure Notebooks platform. So the very first thing that we need to do is to import the natural language toolkit. So to import it, we would write import NLTK natural language toolkit, and then from the toolkit we want NLTK, that is natural language toolkit again, dot download, and what we need to download again, stopwords, right? If you don't have any idea about stopwords, I would be make sure that I'll let you have all the information about what are stopwords or how you can define stopwords so that you can have your own very same projects in the coming time. So we'd be having the download section of stopwords, and then click on the run button, and when you click on the run button, the platform automatically downloads the natural language toolkit and stopwords from there. And then we need to, since we'll be having our example on string, right? So we need to import the string, and from this natural language you need to make sure that we need to import the stopwords on corpus section. So from nltk.corpus import your stopwords, right? So let's click on the run button. Okay, it says wrong. Okay, I got it. from FRO. Okay, it's great. So from that, we need to make sure that spellings are very important in your, you know, obviously for as a developer. So make sure to make you understand what are stop words. Why don't I write a code where it exactly makes you understand what are stop words, right? So let's create stop words. In which language we want? We want in English. And how many you want? 15, 16. Let be this. So let's just hit the run button to understand what you get. So yes, these are actually your stop words. I, me, myself, we, are, yours. And if you change the very own, how many of you want, you can just hit and you can have the list of examples on your front of your screen. So our next process is to create a sentence, right? So create a sentence. Let's just type welcome. It's great to have you on TutorialsLink platform. And yes, you are great to go. So when you have sentence ready, so it's the sentence variable will contain the sentence you have made. So let's have something, let's delete the punctuation. Tell the punctuation. So for deleting, we would be having the code as, like character for character in sentence, right? If character not in string dot punctuation, right? I believe it's great. And when you have done that, you should see what your sentence mean now, right? So delete that, it should show you the sentence. And then see, when you have done compile successfully, it will just remove each and every character from your sentence and remove the, all the punctuations. So punctuations are removed from here. So the very next step is to join the sentence, because you have removed every punctuation. Now without punctuation we'll be joining the sentence. So we'll creating something the very unique of joining all the letters or all the characters from your own sentence. So now we'd be joining the sentence. So del punctuation, that is delete punctuation, equal to dot join function to join the sentence, punctuation, and it should do a work. And when you join the sentence, it should revert you with the output of the sentence. Yes, all the punctuations are removed. So welcome, it's so great to have you on TutorialsLink platform. And when we need to eliminate the stop words, it's a final, right? So final thing is that to provide word for word and delete punctuation dot split if word dot lower not button stopwatch. So this should do our work on. Let's click on the run button. If see if there is a error. No, there is no such thing. Let's click on the final of our project. What do we wanted? Let's see if it's great. Awesome. Now you might have just seen that we have removed our the punctuations and stop words, so the output is successful. Welcome, great tutorials platform. So all the you know like stop words are removed from the sentence, and we have done our program successfully. So I hope you have loved this video tutorials to create something benefit on NLP, that is sentence analysis on NLP, to remove stop words from a given sentence on Azure platform. So if you do love this, make sure to subscribe this channel, and see you on the very next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and keep smiling.